Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Transporter Shuttle. This vehicle comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 199 PS. The vehicle also comes with a DSG automatic transmission. This Shuttle is finished in the metallic paint colour Indium Grey, and taking a look across the front of the vehicle, it comes with LED headlights with LED daytime driving lights. The vehicle also features a set of front parking sensors set into the front bumper, as well as some front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below, the Shuttle sits on 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels which come in a 5-spoke star design. Towards the rear of the vehicle, there is a tailgate with a heated rear window. Located just above the rear number plate is a rear view reversing camera. As well as this, there is also some rear parking sensors. Access into the rear passenger areas can be found on either side of the vehicle through the twin electric power sliding doors. Right at the back, we have a fixed 3-seater passenger bench with 3 individual seats in the middle. All the seats come finished in the circuit fabric upholstery, finished in a black colour. Up front in the driver's cab, there is a twin armrest seat for the driver. Next to this, there is a twin-seater passenger bench with some under-seat storage. In the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash we'll find an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows users to access all their favourite radio stations, accessing FM and DAB radio stations. Users can also opt to connect with the App Connect feature, which allows them to connect their smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. The system also comes with the Discover Media Navigation Pro Maps, which features 3D maps. Beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls for the vehicle. This vehicle comes with 2 front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning. Further down and to the left, there's a 12V and 2 USB Type-C charging points, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel as well as a digital cockpit system.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.